It is cost-wise of interest for the customers because it's for at least two reasons. One is they have a special packaging and the competitor doesn't have it because we're not spread over like plastics. And the other one is the sustainability. We have a very low carbon footprint. And the third one is the design properties of our product. We can really design any form you want. Like you see, for example, in this example, and many other examples. We can add holes or undercuts when necessary. And that's, if you compare it to, for example, paper-based packaging, it's also always folded carton or pulp. It's not very precise in form. So we have much better fitting of the product. Many regulations that are embedded in laws, but also in internal strategies of companies, are based on the properties of plastics. Plastics are there from, say, World War II. For example, we have in many occasions been in discussion with our customers and they say it should perform at 95% humidity because plastic will stay like it is. Paper foam not. When the humidity is high and the temperature is high, it melts and it will take up a lot of humidity and then the form is not stable anymore. And that sometimes means that somewhere a person have to admit it's a good solution, doesn't want to subscribe that, and then the solution is stopped. But if we go into discussion and say, in what circumstances will this packaging be in an environment where the humidity is more than 95%? So some of our customers are looking especially at the environmental aspect of paper foam. Others are looking much more on the 3D design aspects or on the material properties. It's very soft, it doesn't scratch your device, so you can pack, for example, a shaver without using a plastic bag around it, minimizing the handling costs, but also having a better impact on the environment, and they can show it to the public. Some advertise on the packaging, this is a very environmentally friendly packaging and you should put it in the grey bin or in the green bin or in the... Others don't mention anything, they just use it. And on the end customer side, of course there are a lot of customers fully aware of the options.